Hey everyone, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof video for the main board for LG 29UM68, or is that 58? It's 68. This is a 29-inch monitor. Unbelievably that someone will be actually fixing 29-inch monitor these days that can be bought new for probably $150, but it can. And this is a hack I'm testing on a version for 34-inch model, and that would be 34UM68. And one major difference between the two is that the 34-inch has two LED strips. There is a connector here that goes to the lower left corner, where by chance our testing monitor is actually broken, and this is why if we leave that up you will see only how the screen coming up properly. The other one is dark. Now the 29-inch apparently goes with only one LED strip or only one power source to it, which is this one. Again, currently it's connected to the right strip on my 34-inch, but more importantly, this is the HDMI port, this is the usual player. The board has been repaired and is about to be sent back to the customer. If anybody is willing to pay the money to have their old monitor repaired, we offer that. Unique marking on the board, I guess this will suffice. Customer will know we don't do a lot of those. But it's good to know that your board is working and will be shipped back tomorrow. Thank you very much.